Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L in granite crystal metallic. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, SEATBACK video screens, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number 907738.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.